Hello students, now today I am going to start the exercise of 1C. So first one is fill in the blanks. I have written all the answers, just you note it down. First one, Dalton used symbol O for oxygen, H for hydrogen. Okay. Second one, symbol represents one atom of an element. Third one, symbolic expression for a molecule is called molecular formula. Okay, third one. Fourth one, sodium chloride has two radicals. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride has two radicals, Na and Cl. In this, sodium is a basic radical, okay, and chloride is a acidic radical. So, basic and acidic. Okay. Now next one, valency of phosphorus in PCl3. PCl3, valency of phosphorus is asking. Okay. Now you can see its combining capacity. You can see 3 atoms of chlorines are combining, okay, with this phosphorus. So the combining capacity is 3. So the valency will be 3. Okay. Likewise, in PCl5, the valency of phosphorus will be 5. Okay, 3 and 5. Valency of iron in FeCl2, same thing you can see, FeCl2, 2 atoms of chlorines are combining with this iron. So its combining capacity 2. So valency will be 2, and likewise FeCl3, its valency will be 3. Formula of iron 3 carbonate. Okay, formula is Fe2CO3 whole thrice. Okay, this is the formula of iron 3 carbonate. Now second one is complete the following table. Okay, in this you have to note it down very carefully. Okay, one side basic radicals are given and you have to write down the acid radicals. Okay, for magnesium it is already given in your book. You have to start from sodium. Okay, so sodium, okay, I am just writing the headings first. Acidic radical, I am writing here chloride. Okay, then nitrate, then sulfate, then carbonate, then hydroxide, and last one is phosphate. Okay, so for magnesium it is given, you have to start from sodium. Okay, for sodium chloride, formula will be NaCl. Nitrate, okay, NaNO3. Sulfate, Na2SO4. Carbonate, Na2CO3. Hydroxide, NaOH, and phosphate, Na3PO4. Okay, this is for sodium. Now next is for zinc. Okay, for zinc I am writing now. Note it down very carefully. For zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Nitrate, ZnNO3 whole twice. Sulfate, ZnSO4. Carbonate, ZnCO3. Hydroxide, ZnOH whole twice. Phosphate, Zn3PO4 whole twice. Okay, so this is for zinc. Now silver chloride, AgCl. Nitrate, AgNO3. Sulfate, Ag2SO4. Carbonate, Ag2CO3. Hydroxide, Ag OH whole twice phosphate Ag3PO4. Okay. Now for ammonium, I am writing here. Okay. Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, nitrate, NH4NO3, sulfate, NH4 whole twice SO4, carbonate, NH4 whole twice CO3, hydroxide, NH4OH, last one phosphate, NH4 whole thrice PO4. Now calcium, CaCl2, nitrate, CaNO3 whole twice, CaSO4, carbonate, CaCO3, hydroxide, CaOH whole twice, phosphate, CO3PO4 whole twice. Okay, now iron 2, FeCl2, nitrate, FeNO3 whole twice, sulfate, FeSO4, carbonate, FeCO3, hydroxide, FeOH whole twice, phosphate, Fe3PO4 whole twice. Okay, now last one is potassium. Potassium, I am writing here. Just you note it down very carefully. Inside the chapter also, all these formulas are given. If you have any doubt, you can check it. For potassium chloride, KCl, nitrate, KNO3, sulfate, K2SO4, carbonate, K2CO3, hydroxide, KOH, and for phosphate, K3PO4. So these are the formulas. Okay, you have to note it down very carefully and you have to learn it also. Okay, you have to learn it and you have to write in your copy. Now next one is question number 3. Sodium chloride reacts with silver nitrate to produce silver chloride and silver nitrate. Okay, one equation is given here that sodium chloride reacts with silver nitrate to produce silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So your first question is, write the equation. Okay, so your equation will be NaCl, sodium chloride, silver nitrate, you know the formula, AgNO3. Okay, then product is silver chloride, AgCl, plus sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Okay, this is your first answer. This is the equation you have to write. Check whether it is balanced. If not, balanced it. See, reactant side and product side. In the reactant side, 1 sodium, product side also 1 sodium. Reactant side, 1 chlorine, product side also 1 chlorine, 1 silver in the reactant side, product side also 1 silver, 1 nitrogen in the reactant side, 1 nitrogen in the product side, 3 atoms of oxygen in the reactant side and 3 atoms of oxygen in the product side. So this equation is balanced. So you have to write balanced. It is balanced. Now third one, find the weights of reactants and products. Okay, you have to find out the weight of reactants and product. So your reactant is NaCl plus AgNO3. Okay, for this you should know the atomic masses of the elements. Okay, sodium is, all of you know sodium atomic mass 23 chlorine 35.5, silver 108, nitrogen 14 and oxygen 16. Okay, these all atomic masses you should know. Okay, these are the common elements atomic masses, you should know it. So how to find out the weight of the reactant side? So first you write the reactant side. Okay, so this is NaCl plus AgHalogen. Na atomic mass is 23. Okay, then plus chlorine 35.5 plus silver 108 plus nitrogen 14 plus oxygen 16. Since here 3 atoms of oxygen are there, so 16 into 3. Okay, so 23 plus 35.5 plus 108 plus 14 plus 16, 3 is 48. Just add it. 23 plus 35.5, you will get 58.5. Okay, plus 108 plus 14 plus 48 is equal to 8, 4, 12, 12, 8, 20, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 170. If you add it, you will get 228.5. Okay, this is the weight of reactant side. Now same method you have to apply in the product side also. Okay, so product side AgCl plus NaNO3, Ag 108 plus 35.5 plus sodium 23 plus nitrogen 14 plus 16 into 3, 48 directly you can write. Okay, 48. Now just add it, AgCl and this one. Okay, here you can put one bracket. Okay, so 108 plus 35.5, it will be 143.5, and plus this one will be 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you add it, you will get 228.5. So these are the weights of reactants and products. Now state the law that this equation satisfies. What law this equation satisfies? This equation satisfies the law of conservation of mass, because reactant side and the product sides are same, equal. So it proves, just to write, it proves the law of conservation of mass. Okay, so in this video I have given from question number 1 to question number 3. Okay, in my next video I will give from question number 4. Thank you so much.